Rough idle, sluggish acceleration, or worse, fuel economy? The right additive can help. In this video to the best fuel injector cleaner, we explain how detergents like polyethylamine dissolve carbon, what dosages actually matter, and how often to treat based on driving style. You'll see picks for gasoline and diesel, direct and port injection, and ethanol blend compatibility, plus tips for using it before an oil change. We'll also cover warning signs that require mechanical service, not just a bottle, and drivability issues later. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the Royal Purple Max Atomizer Fuel Injector Cleaner. If you want quicker response, stronger pulls, and better miles per tank, Royal Purple Max Atomizer Fuel Injector Cleaner helps your engine feel new again. You get a concentrated treatment engineered to clean injector deposits and improve spray patterns, so fuel atomizes more completely. The result is restored fuel economy, more usable horsepower, and smoother throttle response you can feel in daily traffic and on the highway. You're also covered for today's fuels. Max Atomizer helps stabilize ethanol blends, supporting a more consistent burn while reducing the risks of moisture-related issues that can lead to corrosion or rough running. Useful if your driving includes short trips, seasonal storage, or variable fuel quality. You can use it across your garage. The formula is compatible with both gasoline and diesel engines, making it a flexible pick for cars, trucks, sports utility vehicles, and light-duty diesels that need precise injector performance to deliver their best. Using it is straightforward. Add the recommended amount to your tank at fill-up and drive as normal. Run it as a periodic refresh or before long trips to help keep injectors clean and response crisp. If you value an easy add-to-tank solution that restores economy, maximizes horsepower, and sharpens responsiveness while helping today's ethanol fuels behave, Royal Purple Max Atomizer gives you a simple path to better performance and long-term injector health. At number 4, Liqui Moly Jectron Gasoline Fuel Injection Cleaner. If you want a quick add-to-tank way to smooth rough running and restore crisp response, Liqui Moly Jectron Gasoline Fuel Injection Cleaner makes it easy. You get a 10.1 fluid ounce treatment formulated for universal fit on gasoline engines, targeting the deposits that cause hard starts, hesitation, and stalling. You'll feel the difference where it matters. Jectron works through the fuel path and injectors to help eliminate starting problems, steady an uneven idle, and sharpen throttle response so acceleration feels cleaner and more immediate. By promoting cleaner combustion, it supports more consistent performance drive after drive. You also keep the routine simple. Just pour the contents into your fuel tank per the labeled directions, ideally before refueling for thorough mixing, and drive as normal. The compact 227-gram bottle is easy to keep in the garage or trunk so you can treat a tank as soon as symptoms show up. Use it as a fast fix or as periodic preventive maintenance to help keep injectors free of buildup and drivability on point. Whether you're caring for a daily commuter or refreshing a vehicle that's seen short trips and seasonal storage, Jectron gives you a straightforward path to smoother idle, better response, and fewer hiccups pulling away from a stop. If you value cleaner combustion, steadier performance, and a no-fuss treatment you can add at your next fill-up, Liqui Moly Jectron helps your engine run the way it should, without complicating your maintenance routine. Number 3, we have the Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus Fuel System Cleaner. If you want an easy add-to-tank deep clean that brings back smooth performance, Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus Fuel System. Cleaner makes maintenance simple. You get a 12-ounce liquid formula designed to clean, restore, and help protect your entire fuel path, fuel injectors, carburetors, intake valves, and combustion chambers, so your engine can run the way it should. You'll notice the difference as deposits break down. Techron helps restore lost power, acceleration, and fuel economy, and can even help recover proper operation of the fuel gauge sensor. Day-to-day drivability improves too, by reducing rough idle, engine surge, hesitation, and spark plug fouling. You also get a cleaner start and better storage confidence. The treatment improves cold start performance and helps keep gasoline stable for up to 1 year. Useful for vehicles and equipment that sit between seasons. Using it is straightforward. Pour 1 bottle into the tank and fill up. For automobiles and light trucks, treat every 3,000 miles or at your next oil change. For other gasoline engines, motorcycles, dirt bikes, boats, all-terrain vehicles, recreational vehicles, personal watercraft, and lawn equipment, use as needed. If you value a cleaner fuel system, more responsive throttle, and a simple routine that fits into a single fill-up, Techron Concentrate Plus gives you a proven way to clean, restore, and protect. One bottle, one tank, noticeable results. At number 2, Lucas Oil Fuel Treatment. If you want a single do-it-all treatment that cleans, lubricates, and protects fuel systems in gas or diesel vehicles, Lucas Oil Fuel Treatment keeps your engine running smoother with less effort. You get a true tune-up in a bottle in a 1-quart container that works in gasoline and diesel tanks alike. You'll tackle the places that matter most. The formula cleans and lubricates injectors, carburetors, intake valves, and the combustion chamber to reduce deposit buildup that can choke performance. As passages clear, fuel flows more freely, helping restore throttle response, power, and acceleration while supporting better fuel economy through a more complete burn and reduced excess emissions. You also add protection every time you fill up. The treatment helps neutralize sulfur and other harmful contaminants, prevents rust and corrosion inside the fuel system, and provides extra lubricity to extend the life of pumps and injectors. It's compliant with federal low-sulfur requirements for on-road and off-road diesel applications, and it safely replaces the need for lead in many older engines without harmful effects. Using it is straightforward. Pour directly into the tank according to the label directions and drive. No tools or downtime required. If you value cleaner injectors, smoother power delivery, and long-term protection for critical fuel components, Lucas Oil Fuel Treatment gives you an easy, effective way to keep your engine performing at its best, day in, day out. And finally, the number 1 of our list, Redline Complete SI1 Fuel System Cleaner. If you want a simple way to deep clean your fuel system and keep it protected, Redline Complete SI1 Fuel System Cleaner makes it easy. You get a concentrated treatment formulated to clean and help prevent corrosion throughout gasoline fuel systems so your engine can run smoother and more efficiently. You target the parts that matter. I1's blend of high-temperature and low-temperature detergents works through fuel injectors, carburetors, intake valves, and the combustion chamber to break up deposits that can cause rough idle, hesitation, and lost performance. As it cleans, it also supports gasoline stability to reduce gum and varnish buildup, the residues that lead to hard starts and sticky components. You also keep maintenance straightforward. Just pour one 15-ounce bottle into a full tank for the most effective treatment. The formula is engineered for near-complete cleaning in a single use. Use it as a periodic refresh or before a road trip to help your engine deliver consistent response and mileage. You'll appreciate the protection between treatments too. By clearing deposits and helping limit new formation, SI1 supports a cleaner burn and a more responsive throttle without changing how or where you drive. If you value a cleaner fuel path, deposit control, and a no-hassle routine that fits into one fill-up, Redline Complete SI1 Fuel System Cleaner gives you an effective add-to-tank solution. One bottle, one tank, noticeable results. As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which fuel injector cleaner you're considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.